Hello, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. Woohoo! So today's question was number 58 from ACT 64E. I think you should pause the video and take a crack at it yourself before we dive in. But I'll tell you right now, a lot of people have trouble with this question. They find it a bit confusing and they're not sure where to start. And that's where the power of our attention and taking small steps is going to take over. If you feel like pausing the video, now would be a good time. If not, you can keep watching for the explanation. Okay, it reads, for every positive two-digit number, x, with tens digit t and units digit u, let y be the two-digit number formed by reversing the digits of x. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to x minus y? Whoa, there's like way too many letters going on here. But perhaps they don't have to be. If we look at the answer choices, we see that all of those contain variables, except for 0, but there are a bunch of variables going on. So maybe we can choose our own numbers to simplify the question, turn it into a real-life scenario, instead of sort of waxing philosophically about what one would have to do to a number to make it into u or t or x. Why don't we just pick a number? All right, let's do it. So every positive two-digit number x, what do you want x to be? I'm going to choose 51, because it's my favorite composite number. All right, so x is 51 with tens digit t. Well, what's the tens digit of 51? 5, right? And then the units digit would be 1, so that u is 1. Okay, x is 51, t is 5, u is 1. And let y be the two-digit number formed by reversing the digits of x. Okay, well if x is 51, then that means y is 15. Sweet. I got all four numbers assigned at this point. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to x minus y? All right, that's 51 minus 15. Which is, I'm kidding. We live in an exciting time. Let's check it out. 51 minus 15. 36. Okay, great. Do I think I could have done 51 minus 15 in my head? Yeah. Would that have been a wise decision? Nah, because we live in an exciting time. The calculator's right there. It's flawless, really. Okay, so we're looking for 36 because when we chose numbers that fit the rules that were laid out before us, the answer to x minus y was 36. Well, let's get to the answer choices and cross off all the ones that don't give us 36. Okay, so how does that work? Let's look at F. 9 times the quantity t minus u. What was t again? 5. And u was 1. So 5 minus 1 would be 4. And then 9 times that is 36. Oh, are we done? Almost. But maybe we picked weird numbers that happen to work for more than one answer choice. So let's go back and confirm that F is the only one that gives us 36. G. 9 minus, well, u minus t would be 1 minus 5, which would be negative 4. So that would be 9 times negative 4 is negative 36, which is close, but we're looking for positive 36. So no thanks, G. Better luck tomorrow. H, 9t minus u. Well, t was 5, so 9 times 5 is 45, times tables, etc. Minus u, which was 1. 45 minus 1 is 44, which, you know, is a great number. It's just not 36. Okay, so let's look at J. 9u minus t. U was 1, so that's just 9 minus t. T was 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Again, great number, no hate. We're just looking for 36. Sorry, J. And then K is 0. And 0 is, well, it's 0, which is not 36 at all, really. So the answer was F. That was the only one that gave us the answer we were looking for after we plugged in numbers that followed the rules of what they had laid out. Very cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick and this has been Prep Mindful.